So, because I'm totally bewildered and amazed, yeah, I mean, you can hear the echo. Look, I'm in the bloody washing room, yeah, where I live, yeah. So, I've turned my goggles on, okay, race band. GPS good. You heard it. 6 satellites. Oh my lord. This is insane. Seriously, I've just put a fresh battery in it. Oh my lord, I've got to get it going because it's so. Six satellites. Okay, really, this is insane. Seriously, someone please get back to me after I've done this video because wow, just wow. So plonked it down. So 6 satellites. There's our home position. There's, there it is. Getting very hot, but we'll turn it off. Seriously, all I've done is put copper, the copper mamba stuff in between each plate, and then the TBS GPS on top. I've put copper underneath it, and we've got in the goggles. You've heard it. Six satellites. Little script. 6 satellites. If I arm it, watch the home position.
Armed. GPS lost. Engines armed.
GPS good.
Disarmed.
It absolutely insane. I'm unplugging it all.